So we will first start with the model. This is the idea of the best model that I have selected after running an experiment using Auto Machine Learning as a framework. We can see here quickly some of the metrics that we received from the best model. You see here the accuracy, the area under the curve, the area under the curve weighted, and well, all the kind of metrics that you could need as a data scientist. And we can also see here that we have already the REST endpoints for the model. We have the authentication enabled using Key, and we are able to interact also with the Swagger. Here is what you can see it. You see here the same name, AutoML project, AutoML project 2. And well, as you can see, we have also deployed the pipeline. In this case, we have the pipeline called Bank Marketing Train. And finally, but not least, you can see that the API requests are successfully sent to the endpoint with a JSON payload, and you can see that here, for example. In this case, when we send an input, we receive the output from the machine learning model, and all that it's controlled, or a lot of this is controlled using the Jupyter Notebook, which contains all the steps needed to deploy the model and the pipeline, from initializing a workspace, creating the experiment, attaching the ML target computer, getting the input data, cleaning the data, training the data, creating the AutoML configurations and the AutoML settings, creating the pipeline, and well, I guess that's it. Thank you so much.